Hi everyone, welcome to Cherry Blossom Channels. Mahir Berbahasa Inggris bagi pemula. Bagian 5. Bagi yang suka dengan konten saya, please subscribe dan like ya. Thank you. Semoga konten saya ini bermanfaat bagi kalian. Okay, let's get started with the first sentence. Good morning. Good morning. Selamat pagi. Good day. Good day. Selamat siang. Good evening. Good evening. Selamat malam. Good luck. Good luck. Semoga berhasil. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Tunggu sebentar. Waiting list. Waiting list. Daftar tunggu. Look at this picture. Look at this picture. Lihatlah gambar ini. Look at this circular letter. Look at this circular letter. Lihatlah surat edaran ini. Come along. Come along. Ikutlah. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Tetaplah di sini. So long. So long. Sampai bertemu lagi. Come forward. Come forward. Majulah ke depan. I am grateful to you for your assistance. I am grateful to you for your assistance. Saya berterima kasih kepada Anda atas bantuan Anda. You are not alone. You are not alone. Kamu tidak sendiri. I am here with you. I am here with you. Saya ada di sini bersama kamu. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. Terima kasih untuk bantuanmu. You welcome. You welcome. Sama-sama. Please contact me anytime. Please contact me anytime. Silakan hubungi saya kapan saja. I don't mind. I don't mind. Saya tidak keberatan. I don't care. I don't care. Saya tidak peduli. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Jangan malas. Don't bother me. Don't bother me. Jangan ganggu saya. Pay attention please. Pay attention please. Tolong perhatikan. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Tolong maafkan saya. I'm taking my uncle to the airport. I'm taking my uncle to the airport. Saya sedang mengantar paman saya ke bandara. I'm waiting in line at the zoo corner. I'm waiting in line at the zoo corner. Saya sedang mengantri di loket kebun binatang. The supermarket opens at 9 a.m. The supermarket opens at 9 a.m. Supermarket buka pukul 9 pagi. The door is open. The door is open. Pintu itu terbuka. This mini market is open 24 hours. This mini market is open 24 hours. Minimarket ini buka selama 24 jam. What's going on? What's going on? Apa yang sedang terjadi? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Ada apa denganmu? Let's try to cheer him up. Let's try to cheer him up. Mari kita coba menghiburnya. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. Ayo belanja. Do you understand what I said? Do you understand what I said? Apakah kamu mengerti apa yang saya katakan? I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. Saya merasa tidak enak badan. I have a fever. I have a fever. Saya demam. Please join the Zoom meeting application. Please join the Zoom meeting application. Tolong gabung dengan aplikasi Zoom meeting ini. Will you tell Brian to call me back when he gets here? Will you tell Brian to call me back when he gets here? Maukah kamu mengatakan kepada Brian untuk menelepon kembali setelah dia sampai di sini? My alarm clock rings at 7 every morning. My alarm clock rings at 7 every morning. Jam alarm saya berdering jam 7 setiap pagi. I have a toothache. I have a toothache. Saya sakit gigi. You should go to the dentist. You should go to the dentist. Kamu sebaiknya pergi ke dokter gigi. You shouldn't do that. You shouldn't do that. Kamu seharusnya tidak melakukan itu. Where have you been? Where have you been? Kamu kemana saja? I couldn't understand what was happening. I couldn't understand what was happening. Saya tidak mengerti apa yang sedang terjadi. I'm traveling by airplane to Australia. I'm traveling by airplane to Australia. Saya bepergian dengan pesawat terbang ke Australia. I love photography and social networking. I love photography and social networking. Saya suka fotografi dan jejaring sosial. I usually write something every day and upload a few photos. I usually write something every day and upload a few photos. Saya biasanya menulis sesuatu setiap hari dan mengunggah beberapa foto. What type of information do you search for online? What type of information do you search for online? Jenis informasi apa yang kamu cari secara online? I search information about cuisines. I search information about cuisines. Saya mencari informasi tentang masakan. How often do you upload your photos? How often do you upload your photos? Seberapa sering kamu mengunggah foto? I upload my photos 3 times a week. I upload my photos 3 times a week. Saya mengunggah foto-foto saya 3 kali seminggu. I just got a new smartphone for my birthday. I just got a new smartphone for my birthday. Saya baru saja mendapat smartphone baru untuk ulang tahun saya. I download the game application from the internet. I download the game application from the internet. Saya mengunduh aplikasi game dari internet. I listen to music on my smartphone. I listen to music on my smartphone. Saya mendengarkan musik di smartphone saya. I use a reusable bag for shopping. I use a reusable bag for shopping. Saya menggunakan tas yang bisa digunakan kembali untuk berbelanja. I get along with Rico. I get along with Rico. Saya bergaul dengan Rico. We like doing the same things. We like doing the same things. Kami suka melakukan hal yang sama. Where do you and your friends hang out? Where do you and your friends hang out? Di mana kamu dan teman-temanmu nongkrong? We hang out at the cafe. We hang out at the cafe. Kami nongkrong di cafe. Who invented the internet? Who invented the internet? Siapa penemu internet? The internet was invented by Tim Berners-Lee. The internet was invented by Tim Berners-Lee. Internet ditemukan oleh Tim Berners-Lee. Do you prefer Italian food or Mexican food? Do you prefer Italian food or Mexican food? Apakah kamu lebih suka makanan Italia atau makanan Meksiko? I prefer Mexican food to Italian food. I prefer Mexican food to Italian food. Saya lebih suka makanan Italia daripada makanan Meksiko. Do you prefer chocolate cake or fruit cake? Do you prefer chocolate cake or fruit cake? Apakah kamu lebih suka coklat cake atau fruit cake? I prefer fruit cake to chocolate cake, but both are good. I prefer fruit cake to chocolate cake, but both are good. Saya lebih suka fruit cake daripada coklat cake, tetapi keduanya sama-sama suka. Would you rather read a book or watch a movie? Would you rather read a book or watch a movie? Apakah kamu lebih suka membaca buku atau menonton film? I'd rather read a book than watch a movie. I'd rather read a book than watch a movie. Saya lebih suka membaca buku daripada menonton film. The taxi will get here in 5 minutes or so. The taxi will get here in 5 minutes or so. Taksi akan tiba di sini dalam 5 menit atau lebih. As soon as the taxi get here, we can leave for the airport. As soon as the taxi get here, we can leave for the airport. Segera setelah taksi tiba di sini, kita bisa meninggalkan bandara. Don't leave anything in your car. Don't leave anything in your car. Jangan tinggalkan apapun di mobil Anda. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Tinggalkan aku sendiri. I leave it up to you. I leave it up to you. Saya serahkan kepadamu. How long does it take to get from Surabaya to Jakarta? How long does it take to get from Surabaya to Jakarta? Berapa lama untuk menempuh perjalanan dari Surabaya ke Jakarta? It takes 9 hours via the toll roadway. It takes 9 hours via the toll roadway. Dibutuhkan 9 jam melalui jalan tol. It took me 3 hours to finish my assignments. It took me 3 hours to finish my assignments. Butuh 3 jam untuk menyelesaikan tugas saya. I bought the blue pen, not the red one. I bought the blue pen, not the red one. Saya membeli pena biru, bukan yang merah. How much money do you need? How much money do you need? Berapa banyak uang yang kamu butuhkan? I need $5. I need $5. Saya butuh $5. You look tired this morning. You look tired this morning. Kamu terlihat lelah pagi ini. Did you sleep well last night? Did you sleep well last night? Apakah kamu tidur nyenyak tadi malam? No, I stayed up late last night. No, I stayed up late last night. Tidak, saya begadang kemarin malam. What time is it? What time is it? Jam berapa? It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. Sekarang pukul 8 tepat. What time is it now? What time is it now? Jam berapa sekarang? It's 4:15. It's 4:15. Jam 4:15. What time is it right now? What time is it right now? Jam berapa sekarang? It almost 5. It almost 5. Sekarang hampir pukul 5. When does the movie start? When does the movie start? Kapan film dimulai? This movie will start soon. This movie will start soon. Film ini akan segera dimulai. What time does exactly this store open? What time does exactly this store open? Jam berapa tepatnya toko dibuka? The store usually opens at 10 a.m. The store usually opens at 10 a.m. Toko ini biasanya buka pukul 10 pagi. When should we meet then? When should we meet then? Kapan kita harus bertemu kalau begitu? We should meet on Saturday. We should meet on Saturday. Kita harus bertemu pada hari Sabtu. Thanks for watching. See you on my next content. Keep stay healthy. Bye-bye.